there is no doubt that blockchain is a technological revolution that will eventually be a household name and in every industry across the globe. Although many industries and even people have been reluctant to adopt blockchain technology because of the transparent nature of the public ledger. Company X does not want Company B knowing how much they paid a supplier. Thus, industries and supply chains have been reluctant to adopt the technology. They want and need private transactions to sustain their business goals. Many current blockchains just don't provide that, and if they do, they can't provide the speed and scalability needed for mass adoption. Today, I would like to introduce the NIX Platform, which is focusing on creating the most robust privacy platform in existence to empower people and industries across the globe to achieve independence in their social, economic, and global structure. NIX offers a layered, optional privacy approach that allows dApps users and developers to operate with their level of privacy that suits their own needs across blockchains. The technological achievements and privacy milestones NIX has achieved is remarkable, as the team has built the platform with no ICO, no private investors, and all work has been self-funded. NIX and its community have been kind enough to support the channel and sponsor this video, and as always, the details of our agreement can be found in the description of this video. One thing I need to mention is this video is the result of NIX's off-chain governance and was the first proposal put forward and voted in. Thank you, NIX community, for all the votes, and we will dive deeper into the off-chain governance later in this video. Now, let's do what Chico Crypto does best and break down the guts of the NIX platform. Let's begin at the protocol layer. NIX originally started its journey 12 months ago as a proof-of-work coin, but made the decision to switch to a proof-of-stake model in order to achieve a higher level of network security and stability. Staking is currently live, and a very popular option is to perform this through the sleek UI wallet. But for this to work, your wallet needs to be online at all times. Proof of Stake opened the door to the development of Leased Proof of Stake consensus model for NIX. This went live in December of 2018 and allows users the ability to stake their NIX with third parties, where the user still retains full control of their coins. This is also live in the wallets and is extremely simple to get started, and you don't need to be online at all times to receive your rewards. The third party takes care of being online for a small fee. This adoption of leasing has increased network security by lowering the bar for many people to stake their NIX. More staked NIX equals a more secure proof-of-stake network. The blockchain is enhanced through the NIX Ghost protocol, which is a combination of privacy features that can liken NIX to a Monero on steroids. The Ghost protocol is custom code that was originally built with the Zero Coin protocol, but just last month became the first proof-of-stake coin to adopt the Sigma privacy protocol, replacing Zero Coin in the overall Ghost protocol. Sigma is a secure zero-knowledge protocol that allowed NIX to scale the privacy transactions by reducing the chain size of those transactions by 94%. Sigma spins are 1.50 kilobytes, compared with Zero Coin's 25 kilobytes. Privacy is enhanced even further into a bulletproof system with the addition of stealth outputs and Tor networking. So Sigma creates a system that eliminates the possibility of revealing the original location of assets. Stealth outputs build a blockchain element that conceals the destination output, resulting in non-traceable address locations. Tor integration allows a user to gain both blockchain privacy as well as networking privacy. So the protocol layer is further secured through a dedicated network of masternodes with the primary purpose of processing Ghost protocol transactions. Any smart contract or transaction requiring autonomous privacy processing relies on NIX Ghostnodes to fulfill those requests. 40,000 NIX is required as collateral to become a Ghost node, and they receive a portion of the block rewards, but also receive fees from Ghost protocol privacy transactions. These Ghost nodes can be easily managed through the wallet interface, just like staking. The next layer is the utilization layer, and this performs complex tasks in the background while presenting aesthetically pleasing interfaces on the front end, like in the dApps and in the NIX wallet. These include two tools, the Ghost Vault and two-way ghosting. The Ghost Vault is a piece of technology embedded directly into the wallets, and it is live right now and provides users the option to make their coins private. NIX sent to the Ghost Vault are converted to Sigma mints. These Sigma mints are zero knowledge, and they are combined into an accumulator, thus eliminating the possibility of identifying which coins belong to each user. Think of it like a person's own Swiss bank account. No one knows the coins in the vault are yours. The Ghost Vault inherently provides one-way privacy, as a sender is kept fully private. Yet if the coins were unghosted and sent to someone, the receiver's address would be made public. This is considered one-way ghosting. NIX achieved a significant milestone when they implemented two-way privacy through two-way ghosting. This utilization layer tool is achieved through their protocol layer anonymous deposit scheme called commitment key packs. The way it works is pretty technical, but it can be summarized as simple as sending coins from one ghost vault to another. Through something called one-time ghost keys, previously ghosted NIX becomes new ghosted NIX that gets directly deposited into a receiver's ghost vault without compromising any security. The next layer is the communication layer, which has the goal of creating interoperability between chains. They aim to create this through a sidechain and child chain structure. Other chains, developers, and businesses can attach their own networks to the NIX network without any changes required to the NIX core protocol. Those ghost nodes we talked about earlier are critical here, as they work to accomplish consensus requirements between different chains. For example, NIX is partnered with BlockNet, and BlockNet DEX communication is handled by those ghost nodes. The ghost nodes will be used to approve and fulfill cross-chain protocols. The final layer is the dApps layer, and these are the applications running on top of NIX utilizing the unique privacy protocols. The first dApp being created is getting ready for launch, and it's the DEX Manager, better known now as the Flare Wallet. This dApp will serve as a bridge between different decentralized exchanges, connecting them together to allow for greater amounts of liquidity. This will allow truly private swaps of coins right through the Flare wallet without ever needing to visit an exchange, centralized or decentralized. The Flare wallet beta is scheduled for release this quarter, and just last week the team said the release will be happening soon. Flare will be a multi-currency wallet with an easy-to-use swap feature that sources multiple decentralized exchanges, like BlockNet's DEX, to perform the swap. Flare uses the NIX protocol as a middleman to break privacy swap linkage between coins. So you could swap Bitcoin for Litecoin in wallet, while all the privacy is handled in the background, and you receive your Litecoin easily for the best possible price because the trade was sourced from multiple DEXs. Now, like I mentioned before, this video is a product of the successful launch of NIX's Off Chain Governance. Off Chain allows for a lightweight method of governance. They have taken a unique approach to vote weight, and it isn't just based on the amount of NIX you have. Vote weight is created by solved blocks. The amount of successful block rewards from staking or running a ghost node corresponds to the vote weight in an upcoming proposal. So say a user running a ghost node earns 16 NIX a day for adding new blocks. They would have 16 eligible votes to cast. User 2 is staking their NIX and earn 4.5 NIX per day from generating their blocks. This user now has 4.5 eligible votes to cast. The governance structure functions to support funding and decision-making for all invested stakeholders in the NIX ecosystem. Proposals can be put forward by members of the NIX community, and they are voted on by NIX token holders through the NIX Wallets. As we can see, the vote for this video had 121,496 votes in favor, thank you, with 11,861 votes saying no, no thank you. This fulfilled the requirements and the proposal was given the green light to go forward. Simply amazing to see decentralized governance work on how to spend the NIX Development and Marketing Fund. Well, viewers, NIX has come a long way in the 12 months since their inception and has shown what real development looks like without running an ICO and raising an exuberant amount of funds. They have created a highly advanced Ghost protocol that is enhanced by features like the Ghost Vault and two-way ghosting. They have developed 4 different types of wallets: Qt, UI, Electrum, and mobile for both iOS and Android. And their 5th wallet and first dApp, the Flare wallet, will be the first wallet with private multi-currency token swaps. So much more development than some crypto projects that raised $20 million plus. And this is just the beginning, as the governance system just got started. dApps, development, marketing, and more can all be funded through proposals voted on by token holders. Future developments of sidechains and child chains by the team will allow NIX to become a privacy protocol utilized across the blockchain space on any blockchain. This is a small cap coin leading a strong charge in the privacy space, and I definitely wouldn't sleep on this one. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.